फ्रेंड्स, आज हम अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं और इस वीडियो के अंदर हम अपना जून मंथ का जो करंट जीके है उसे हम डिस्कस करेंगे, राइट। और चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। और आप बीच बीच में मेरे कम्युनिटी टैब को भी चेकआउट करते रहे। उसमें मैं मैक्सिमम जो आपके रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं वो मैं डाल रहा हूँ। मैक्सिमम उसमें जीके, हिमाचल जीके से कंसर्न क्वेश्चंस ज़्यादा हैं, तो प्लीज़ उसे देखते रहें आप, राइट। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्टली हम अपने वन लाइनर क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। और फर्स्ट सेक्शन हमारा पर्सन इन न्यूज़। नेशनल एंटी डोपिंग एजेंसी नाडा हैज़ बैंड अमित धाया फॉर 4 years. He is related to which sport? Javelin throw. Who has elected as a second time president of Afghanistan recently? Ashraf Ghani. Who has been appointed as a Australian High Commissioner to India? Barry O'Farrell. Who has become the second richest Indian after the chairman of Reliance Industry Limited Mukesh Ambani? Radhakrishnan Damini. Who has become the first Indian to reach 50 million followers on Instagram? Virat Kohli. Recently, who was appointed as a Chief Information Commissioner CIC? Vimal Julka. Next, who has been elected as the new Central Vigilance Commissioner of India? Sanjay Kothari. Which Indian cricketer announced retirement from international and the new Prime Minister of which country? Malaysia. Former Indian hockey player Balbir Singh Kullad passed away. He was related to which state? Punjab. Recently, National Anti-Doping Agency lifted the one-year ban imposed on which Indian boxer Sumit Sangwan. Recently, who was appointed as a CEO of Digitas India? Anni Radhakrishnan. Recently, who has become the third woman Lieutenant General of India? Madhuri Kantekar. Recently, Sanjay Kumar Panda has been appointed as the Indian ambassador to which country? Turkey. Javier Perez de Cuellar has passed away recently. He worked as a former Secretary General of United Nations. Next, recently who was appointed as a new Prime Minister of Slovenia? Jens Janša. Recently, Andrei Taran was appointed as new Defence Minister of which country? Ukraine. Next, awards. Which movies won the first award at the 65th Filmfare 2020? Gully Boy. Which actress was awarded the first Best Actress award at the 65th Filmfare 2020? Alia Bhatt. Who was conferred with the Lifetime Achievement Honor at the 65th Amazon Filmfare Awards 2020? Ramesh Sippy. Recently, who has confirmed 61st Annual Lalit Kala Academy Awards? Ramnath Kovind. 19 PV Sandhu. Recently, who has won the 7th Dr. MS Swaminathan Award for the period 72 to 2019? V. Parveen Rao. Who won the Best Actor Award at the Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Festival Awards? Hrithik Roshan. Kandario Vasudev Kamnath was confirmed as a Raja Ravi Varman Award. This award is given by which state government? Kerala. Next, scheme and launches section. Recently, in which city the fourth conference of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was held? Udaipur. Atal Kishan Mazdoor canteens will be opened in the which state? Haryana. Who has launched Suposhit Ma Abhiyan, which aim to be provide nutritional support to pregnant women and adolescent girls? Om Borola. Recently, Jagnan Vashti Devna scheme has been launched by which state? Andhra Pradesh. Next, Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Urban Livelihoods Mission has signed MOU with which e-commerce company to e-market product made by Self Group in India, Amazon. Student health card scheme for the school children has been launched in which UT recently, Jammu and Kashmir. Microsoft announced a partnership with which bank to train differently able people to find jobs in banking, financial service and insurance sector, SBI. Recently, which state government has introduced two schemes? Next section is National and State. Indian Railway South Central Railways SCR zone has become the first zone railway in the country to have functional energy neutral railway stations on the network. Where is the headquarters of the South Central Railway is located? Sikandrabad. The world biggest cricket stadium, the Motera Stadium, renamed as a Sardar Vallabhbhai Stadium. Where is the Motera Stadium located? Ahmedabad. The National Maritime Heritage Complex will be set up in which state? Luthal, Gujarat. Recently, who has unveiled a 63 feet tall statue of former Bharatiya Jana Sangh leader Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay in Varanasi? Narendra Modi. Next, Arunachal Pradesh has celebrated its 34th statehood day on 20th February. Who is the governor of Arunachal Pradesh? B.D. Mishra. Indian Railway has launched its first restaurant on wheels at the circulating area of which railway station recently? Ansol, West Bengal. Indian Air Force has signed a MOU with which university to establish a chair of excellence? Savitri Bai Phule University. Airport Authority of India and which state government has signed a memorandum of understanding for the construction of 6 equipment hearing centers? Tripura. Khelo India University Games conclude in Bhubaneswar on 1st March. Which university topped in Khelo India University Games? Punjab University, Chandigarh. Chambal Security has eco-sensitive zone. Recently, it is situated in which state? Madhya Pradesh. In which city Pusha Krishi Vigyan Mela 2020 was inaugurated by Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar recently? New Delhi. Which state government has decided to ban online food supply from all hotels, dhabas which do not follow the hygiene rating rules under the Food Standards and Safety Act, Punjab? Next, the theme of National Safety Day 2020 is Enhance Health and Safety Performance by Use of Advanced Technology. It is celebrated every year on 4th March. In which city the Antarrashtriya Yoga Mahotsav was inaugurated? Rishikesh. Recently, who has released a book titled Chronicles of Change Champions in New Delhi? Smriti Zubin Irani. Namaste Orchha festival is celebrated in which state? Madhya Pradesh. Recently, which state announced to provide the credit guarantee of loans for higher education? Haryana. Recently, which state government has approved the implementation of happy hour for auto rickshaws? Maharashtra. In which city main national event to commemorate the 6th International Day of Yoga will be held? Leh. Recently, which state assembly has approved caste validity certificate bill? Maharashtra. An exhibition titled Jallianwala Bagh is scheduled to be held in which city on the occasion of 130th Foundation Day of National Archives of India? New Delhi. National Crime Records Bureau NCRB celebrated its 35th inception day on 12th March. Recently, which state government has cabinet approved the proposal to rename Mumbai Central Station in the name of Nana Shankar Seth. Next section is international news. Where was the International Fund for Agriculture Development IFAD 43rd Governing Council meeting held Rome, Italy? Where was the third edition of Global Ministerial Conference on Road Safety held Stockholm, Sweden? Recently, which country removed the developing tag for India, USA? Recently, which country has test fired 600-kilometer range Rad second missile successfully on the land and at sea, Pakistan? According to the report of World Population Review, what is the rank of India in the largest economy of the world list? Fifth. Which nation has celebrated its 7th National Democracy Day on 9th February, Nepal? Recently, who has inaugurated the Indian Pavilion at the Berlin International Film Festival as Jaishankar? International Mother Language Day is celebrated by United Nations on 21st February. Where was the seminar on Indian defense equipment was organized by the High Commission of India in Bangladesh, Dhaka? According to the report of World Health Organization, what is the rank of India at Child Flourishing Index 2020 131st? In which city the 19th edition of the World Productivity Congress will be held? Bengaluru. Which editor has entered the Limca Book of Records for films edited in the most number of languages? Shrikar Prasad. Which country to make public transport free to reduce traffic pressure on the road? Luxembourg. Recently, which country has launched 2 short-range missiles into the East Sea, North Korea? What is the rank of India in the Global Animal Protection Index 2020? Second. Which Indian mountaineer has successfully scaled Mount Kuzako 2,228 meter, the highest mountain peak in the Australia in March 2020? Bhavna Dharia. Next, financial awareness section. What amount of loan agreement has been signed by the World Bank and Government of India to improve the India's groundwater requirement? 450 million USA dollar. How much Modi's has reduced India's GDP growth forecast for 2020? 5.4%. Jeff Bezos has announced to launch of Bezos Earth Fund to combat climate change. He is the CEO of which company? Amazon. Gujarat government signed a MOU with which bank to facilitate approval of loans to entrepreneurs in the MSME sector with ease and within a short time frame? State Bank of India. What is India's economic growth rate for the financial year 2020 to 21 has estimated by OECD? 5.1%. Next, recently Reserve Bank of India has imposed a withdrawal limit of rupees 50,000 for depositor of which bank for a month? Yes Bank. Recently, which bank has waived off the minimum balance charge on all saving bank accounts? State Bank. Chalasani Vikant Nageshwar has been given the additional charge of Deputy MD and CFO of which leading bank? State Bank of India. Chalasani Vikant Nageshwar. Economist Intelligence Unit released the Inclusive Internet Index. What is the India's rank in Inclusive Internet Index 2020? 46th. Sunil Garbakshni has appointed as a managing director and CEO of which bank for a period of 3 years? Dhanlakshmi Bank. Which company announced to launch a 100x program for B2B startups? Microsoft. Recently, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development (NABARD) has sanctioned 400.64 crore rupees for which state union territory? Jammu and Kashmir. What is the name of companion which was launched by National Payment Corporation of India to promote UPI on easy, safe and instant mode of payment? UPI Chalega. According to the Reserve Bank of India report, in the last 5 years, cash withdrawal India is second only to with country China. Next section, sports. Haryana government has decided to give 6 crore rupee to player of the state that bag gold medals at the Olympic Games, where will be 2020 Summer Olympic will be held Tokyo. Bhavna Jat qualified for the 2020 Olympics. She is related to which sports? Athletics. Who has won Cairns Cup chess tournament recently? Cornu Humpy. Who has won the 77th Senior National Squash Championship in the men's category? Saurabh Ghosal. Joshna Chinappa, who won the gold in 87 kilogram Greco-Roman category in the Asian Wrestling Championship. Sunil Kumar, who has become the second Indian woman to win a gold medal at the Asian Wrestling Championship. Divya Kakran. Next section, science and technology. Recently, in which city the fourth conference of the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was held? Udaipur. Atal Kisan Mazdoor Canteen will be opened in which state? Haryana. Who was launched Suposhit Ma Abhiyan, which aimed to provide the nutritional support to the pregnant women and adolescent girls? Om Borola. Student health card scheme for the school children has been launched in which UT recently? Jammu and Kashmir. Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Urban Livelihoods Missions has signed MOU in which e-commerce company to e-market product by made by Self Group of India Amazon. Recently, Jagna Vishti Dinan scheme has been launched by which state? Andhra Pradesh. Microsoft announced a partnership with which bank to train the different able people to find jobs in the banking, financial service, insurance sector? State Bank of India. Recently, which state government has introduced two schemes, CMAST or CMAT, to benefit the sportsmen and artists in the state? Manipur. Next, recently, which state found a new species of lizard urban bent toad gecko? Guwahati, Assam. Which mobile app was launched Government of India for the doorstep diesel delivery fuel Humsafar? In which city of the international conference on nano science and nanotechnology was held? Kolkata. SIBI Scores mobile app launched by SIBI for the investor to lodge grievance. Who is Indo-Bangladesh joint military exercise concluded recently? Meghalaya. Institute for the Defence Study and Analysis is to be renamed after which of the following Union Minister? Manohar Parrikar. The Tokyo 2020 organizing the committee has revealed the official games motto. What is the motto of Tokyo 2020 Olympics? United by Emotions. That is a rank of the Hindi in the most spoken language in the world according to annual report of Antholog publication. Third, the theme of the World Wildlife Day 2020 is sustaining all life on earth. It is celebrated every year on 3rd March. Every year Jan Ashuddhi Divas is celebrated on 7th March. Recently, who has released a comic book titled The Adventure of the Daredevil Democrat Naveen Patnaik. Next, Right to Protein, a national level public health initiative, has launched India's first protein day on 25th February. National Vaccination Day is celebrated every year in the Indian on 16th March. An Extraordinary Life is a biography of which personality which is co-authored by veteran journalist Sadhguru Patil and Maya Bhushan Nagvinkar Manohar Parikar. Every year, the Audience Factories Days observed all over India on 80th March. Every year, World Sparrow Day is celebrated on 20th March. What is the theme of the World Down Syndrome Day 2020, which is observed every year on 21st March? We decide. Next, चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा वेंकैया नायडू, लोकसभा स्पीकर ओम बिरला, चेयरमैन ऑफ नीति आयोग नरेंद्र दास मोदी, लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन ऑफ द इन राज्यसभा गुलाम नबी आज़ाद, लीडर ऑफ हाउस इन लोकसभा नरेंद्र दास मोदी एंड लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन इन दी लोकसभा नन, चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर सुनील अरोरा, इलेक्शन कमिश्नर अशोक लावासा और सुशील चंद्र, डायरेक्टर जनरल आईडीपीपी एसएस देशवाल। नेक्स्ट, चीफ विजिलेंस कमिश्नर शरद कुमार, फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी विजय केशव गोखले, कंट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया राजीव मिश्री, डायरेक्टर विक्रम साराभाई स्पेस सेंटर एस सोमनाथ, चेयरमैन टेलीकॉम रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया आर एस शर्मा, सीबीआई डायरेक्टर ऋषि कुमार शुक्ला, चेयरमैन नेशनल कमीशन फॉर शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स नंद कुमार साई, चेयरमैन नेशनल कमीशन ऑफ माइनॉरिटीज़ सैयद गयारुल हसन रजवी, चेयरमैन ऑफ यूपीएससी अरविंद सक्सेना, डायरेक्टर जनरल नेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी वाईसी मोडी, चेयरमैन स्पेस कमीशन एंड इसरो के सिवन, चेयरमैन ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी कमीशन एंड सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी के एन व्यास, चेयरमैन ऑफ एसएससी ब्रजराज शर्मा, चेयरमैन ऑफ नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन जस्टिस एच एल दत्त, रजिस्ट्रार जनरल एंड सेंसस कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया विवेक जोशी, चेयरमैन ऑफ सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस प्रमोद चंद्र मूडी, नेक्स्ट चेयरमैन ऑफ इंश्योरेंस एंड रेगुलेटरी डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया सुभाष चंद्र कुंतिया, नेक्स्ट चेयरमैन ऑफ सिक्योरिटी एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया अजय त्यागी, चेयरमैन ऑफ स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया रजनीश कुमार, इंडियाज परमानेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इन Sharma, Chairman of 50th Finance Commission N.K. Singh, Chairman of Competition Commission of India Ashok Kumar Gupta, Chairman of Central Board of Film Certification Prashun Joshi, President of ASSOCAMP Balkrishan Goenka, Chairman of NASSOCAMP Keshav Murugesh, Chief of Defence Staff General Vipin Rawat, Chief of Air Staff Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria, Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Karamveer Singh, Chief of Army Staff जनरल मनोज मुकुंद नरवणे, चीफ ऑफ रॉ सामंत गोयल, डायरेक्टर भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर ए के मोहिंती, नेशनल कमीशन फॉर शेड्यूल कास्ट राम शंकर कटारिया, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ फिकी संदीप सोमने, चेयरमैन ऑफ 21st लॉ कमीशन डॉक्टर जस्टिस बी एस चौहान, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एडवाइज़र अजीत डोवल, चेयरपर्सन ऑफ प्रसार भारती डॉक्टर ए सूर्य प्रकाश, डीजी ऑफ नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी विनीत जोशी, फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी ऑफ इंडिया अजय भूषण पांडे, चेयरमैन ऑफ इंडियन बैंक्स एसोसिएशन रजनीश कुमार। नेक्स्ट, इंपॉर्टेंट abbreviations and important day and dates. Abbreviation FII Foreign Institutional Investor VRR, Voluntary Retention Route VCIP, Video Based Customer Identification Process PPI, Prepared Payment Instrument ETF, Exchange Trade Funds TDS, Tax Directed at Source IVR, Interactive Voice Response. Important days and days: June 1st World Milk Day, June 3rd World Bicycle Day, Ocean Day, June 12th Anti-Child Labor Day, June 14th World Blood Donor Day, June 20th World Refugee Day, June 21st International Day of Yoga, June 23rd International Olympic Day, June 26th International Day Against the Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Thank you so much.